tip of the day. When life comes at you with a blow you never saw coming, everything feels like it's slipping through your fingers. Your plans, your stability, your confidence. And in that moment, asking a banker for help can feel like the hardest step of all. But this is exactly when your credit report becomes more than numbers on a page. It becomes your voice when you're exhausted, your proof that you've been trying, your reminder that you haven't given up. It's the tool that helps you walk into that conversation, not defeated, but determined, ready to fight for the 6 months of breathing room you need to regain your strength.